Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Crystal. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thanks for joining me. Today, as you can tell from the title, I am going to be doing a mousse only wash and go. It'll actually be my first mousse only wash and go. I'm having a lot of firsts here ever since I did my big chop, but this is going to be my first only mousse wash and go. We're going to be using the Nairobi Foaming Lotion. Here it is. This is the only product that I'm going to be using today to actually style my hair. And then outside of that, I am going to be using my Inner Sense Serenity Smoothing Cream as my leave-in. And then, am I using anything else other than water? I'm probably going to finish my style with my Inner Sense I Create Finish spray as well, which is just going to give me a little bit of extra hold, but that's just going to be a finishing spray. I have freshly washed my hair, I deep conditioned it, and now we're just ready to get into the style process. Stay tuned. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Now for this style, I do want my hair to be soaking wet, so you will see me really heavily using my spray bottle today because I want to ensure that my hair is wet enough to receive the mousse, and I don't want to have to overuse product just to get it to coat my strands. So I am going to make sure that each part of my hair is completely saturated with water so that I can get the best shingling that I can. So I'm going to go ahead and start over here on this side. For my mousse, I am just taking one pump per section, so I'm not using a lot. But as y'all know, with mousse, it really doesn't take a lot of mousse. Mousse just kind of stretches and goes a long way naturally, so you never should really have to use a whole bunch of mousse to get the style that you're looking for. And I do like the Nairobi because it doesn't flake or anything, but it leaves a really good hold without it being crunchy. So the expectation is that this is going to come out to be a soft hold wash and go. Here we are, I'm back. Here's the finished result of that wash and go with the mousse only. And I really like the way that it came out. It came out really big and fluffy, and I have a very flexible hold. I'm really enjoying the fact that I was able to pick it out to get the volume that I needed, and it didn't have to actually stretch with a blow dryer. So I really like that about this particular wash and go. But overall, here are the final results. Let me know in the comments what you all think. Drop a comment below, subscribe to the channel, and like this video. I hope you all enjoyed this mousse only wash and go. Make sure that you stay tuned because there are going to be more videos to come next week. I will see y'all next year in 2025, and thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.